If your evening jog maxes out at 10 kph, you're not a wolf. If your cab driver complains after 5 kilometers, he's definitely not a wolf. And if you think pulling an all-nighter is hard, wait till you hear this. Wolves are basically the marathon runners of the wild. These incredible creatures can hit speeds up to 37 miles per hour, that's about 60 kilometers per hour. And get this, they don't just sprint. Wolves can keep moving, covering up to 40 miles in a single night. That's 60 kilometers, just for a night's hunt. Imagine running from Delhi to Meerut before breakfast. No Uber, no chai breaks, just pure stamina. So next time you see a wolf documentary, remember, you're watching one of nature's ultimate endurance athletes. How's that for motivation on your next morning run?